This is my 2011 premium Deathtrap frame in 21-inch top tube. Alright, front is Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, 8.5 rise, 28 width. Grips are Stolen Money. Bar end Stolen Vortex. The stem is an S&M Redneck XLT Stay Strong Edition. Forks are S&M Pitchforks. Rims is a Shadow Conspiracy Stun Rim laced to a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub with alloy nipples and Shadow spokes with an Odyssey Path tire. Alright, seat is a 2010 Shadow Conspiracy Penumbra Alistar Witten Crow Edition seat. Seat post is animal. Cranks are Profile BMX GDH 175mm. Pedals are Shadow Conspiracy Ravager. Sprocket is a Shadow Crank and Bones 25 tooth. Chains a KMC. Wheels a premium hub with Alienation Black Sheep rim. And then I didn't even say my brakes. Oh gosh. Alright, Odyssey M2 lever, Odyssey brake, Odyssey cables, Snafu Mobius detangler, Odyssey cables, Odyssey Evo 2 brake with Odyssey black pads. Oh, my pegs. GT faggot peg, and I don't even know what that is. Goodbye.